to sell. Well, I dropped a pin, so now I know where to park. I'll let you guys in on my secret too. And also, you need to take a bus once you park to Disney. This is stupid. This is starting to be not the most magical place in the world, and I want to punch someone in the face. Also, the cops here are not very magical. Come on. I tried to ask them where to go, and he just kind of looks at us. He wouldn't roll his window down. You have two options once you get here to get to the most magical place on the world. You can take a ferry boat or the monorail. We're taking the ferry boat, even though it's slower, but there's no line. So,
what if it's slower? Look at the castle!
Are you calm yet?
I was fine.
I was fine, but she got me going. Now we can see the castle. I'm starting to feel magical. What are we doing?
We are on a ferry to the Magic Kingdom.
Are you feeling magical?
No, you ruined it for me.
What else is new, right? I always ruin everything. I think we are in Magic Kingdom. Let's see how much water is. Oh, not that bad. Only $3.50. Pro tip, if you go to any beverage, hey, I'm trying to talk here and make a YouTube video. Any beverage location, you can get free water. So don't have to pay $3.50, even though that's not that much.